I do want to talk about your transition from TaskRabbit, which you ran for 8 years, and you moved into the chairwoman role, and you've joined Fuel. What's that transition been like from entrepreneurship?
It's been incredible. I mean, I founded TaskRabbit back in 2008, so it's been an entire decade since I founded that company. And what I realized after a decade was that I'm an engineer, and I'm really passionate about emerging technologies, and that's why I founded that company. And so to now transition to this next chapter where I get to stay at the forefront of emerging technologies every single day and meet with fantastic entrepreneurs, it's been a dream come true.
So I'm sure you're drawing on you know everything you've learned about the sharing economy and the gig economy. IKEA, of course, bought TaskRabbit. You know, where is the sharing economy and gig economy going?
Well, one area that I'm really passionate about as an investor are consumer marketplace businesses. And marketplaces span the sharing economy, the gig economy. Certainly the future of work is changing, but there's lots of other types of marketplace models as well. And so that's definitely an area I'm spending a lot of time and focus in. One company as an example, it actually was my first investment at Fuel, is a company called Work, which is a flexible jobs marketplace built by two fantastic women in New York City.
So, you know, talk to me a little bit about what you think is underappreciated and what you think is overhyped. I mean, we've been talking so much about crypto, so much about AI. You know, where do you see potential and where do you see like too much buzz?
Here's my real passion. I came into Silicon Valley as an outsider. And my partner, Chris Howard, who founded Fuel 4 years ago, was an outsider as well. He came out of Seattle. And both Chris and I have spent a lot of time building up our networks here, operating here, learning about how to build a startup in Silicon Valley. My passion is really finding those people that don't fit the mold in any category, in any area, whether it be AI or crypto, blockchain, whatever it is, whatever the hype area is, but finding the people that don't fit the mold, that are doing amazing things, and shining a light on them and investing in them, because they are really the future of these companies.
So we were just speaking with Chris Olson, an investor at Drive Capital in Columbus, Ohio. You know, the New York Times just did a big piece about Silicon Valley VCs going to the Midwest and saying that Silicon Valley is over. You know, do you see opportunity outside of Silicon Valley, you know, more than you see inside it at this point?
You know, I say that I see opportunities in a lot of places where other investors probably aren't going to take the time to look, whether that be geography, location. That could also mean pedigree, school, institutions. I sit on the board of Sweetbriar College, which is a liberal arts women's college in Virginia. They're doing a strong focus around entrepreneurship and STEM there as well. And so I think as an investor, if you want to stay current and stay with evolving technologies and the evolving landscape of technology, you have to be willing to look in all different types of places.